Away from that, activists under the End Bad Governance movement on Wednesday stormed the Federal High Court in Abuja, demanding the immediate release of activist Omoyele Sowore. Amid a heavy police presence, one activist expressed frustration over what it described as misplaced priorities by the authorities. The demonstrators insisted that Sowore, who remains in detention, should either be brought before the court immediately or released if no formal charges have been filed against him. Beyond Sowore's case, the activists also called for an end to what they termed the weaponization of the judiciary against government critics. Despite the strong security presence, the activists vowed to continue their advocacy until their demands are met. Now, News Central's Joshua Mirai joins us from the court premises to give us more updates. Joshua, good afternoon to you. I'd like you to intimate us with the, of course, situation has been recorded at the court premises.
Well, good morning, Lekon. As I speak currently to you, I am currently at the Federal High Court in Abuja, where there was an earlier demonstration by some members, residents of the Federal Capital Territory, demanding that Sowore is tried immediately, brought to court or before a judge of jurisdiction, or being released unconditionally. But however, we was in the courtroom this morning where Sowore was brought before Honorable Justice Liman, and several proceedings and several back and forth was recorded, and I will be giving you an update of what really transpired in that courtroom. So this morning, the prosecutor, that is the person of M.U. Jonathan, who is standing as the prosecutor for the IGP, actually brought an amended charge of a 16 counts and amended charge before the Honorable Justice Liman, and he asked the court to withdraw the other count charge that was presented to the court yesterday, that was filed before the court yesterday, and substitute it for a new count charge, a 16 count charge that bordered around an attempt to smear the name of the Inspector General of Police, and using that is the person of Sowore, using his personal social media handle for an onslaught against the Inspector General of Police.
I think the legal counsel representing Sowore would be approaching, most especially these new indictments against Sowore.
Well, based on what we hear so far in the courtroom today, the counsel representing Sowore, that is the person of Marshal Abubakar, actually asked the court to grant his client's bail, but based on legal technicalities and the kinds of legal gymnastics we are seeing these days, a very, very interesting case was presented before Justice Liman, where a previous case of an oral bail application was made before the court, and to support it, the counsel representing Sowore presented another bail application, a formal bail application, that is making it a hybrid bail application. And the person of Justice Liman made it known that this is the first time such technicality is happening in this courtroom, and this is setting a precedent for other court cases that we'll be hearing. But however, the counsel representing the IGP actually asked and prayed the court to give him a 48-hour deadline to prepare for the bail application that is being heard, that was supposed to be heard today. But the judge, in his wisdom and in all his knowledge, actually told the counsel representing Sowore to intimate the counsel representing the IGP to agree on a suitable time for the bail hearing, and the time of 3 p.m. has been slated to hear the bail application by the counsel representing the person of Omoyele Sowore, who is facing, who is standing before Honorable Justice Musa Liman here in the Federal High Court in Abuja.
Okay, so we'll be waiting to get more details as regards that. But before I let you go, Joshua, the activists talked about the weaponization of the judiciary against the government critics. Tell us what that is about.
Well, based on what we hear and what we are seeing so far, the case is the judge, the justice, and the court has granted fair hearing to both parties. What the protesters were earlier implying was the fact that the IGP and the police has repeatedly used the Cybercrime Act as a tool, a mechanism to bring so many people before the court on cases bordering on the alleged cases of cyber assault, cyber attack, and the likes. But however, that is not what we see so far in this in the court this morning, as we can experience fair hearing from the mouth of the justice who is in charge of this case.
All right, thank you so much, Joshua. We'll definitely keep tabs with you to get details as regards the court proceedings, rather, even as it goes down today. It was nice talking to you anyway. Thank you.